Basa na ba yan? Pag-intiri talaga ako, basa. Pupunta ka sa laundry? Nakapunta ka lang?
Wala na ba tayo po?
Ay, wala na palang tubig ko. Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Sauce pala.
Tomato sauce.
Kuya Michael, busy.
Ayun. Ah, sige.
Yes. Pagpadok lang harap ko. Naku, 5 minutes ka.
Mga katulong po, nagtatawanan. Reset.
5 minutes na tayo. Thank you, Kuya Michael. Kahit na kaldero, kailangan mo ba?
Excuse me.
Yes.
Again.
Again?
Yeah.
Why so much sugar? Hindi mo nakasuka, mamamatay na ba?
Napit na.
Pag may tapon, yung basurahan mo sa labas, meron ako dito yung tatapon.
Oo. Hindi linagay ko na dito.
Ay. Wala. Ayaw nga pala. Bali. Dapat dyan ako lang.
Ano yan? Facebook?
Hindi ayaw to. Facebook wala na lang pa kayo doon kasi yung diba kailangan ito.
YouTube. YouTube ka. Ay, pizza ka pa?
Oh my God. Ay, oo.
May pasta, pizza pa. Tabi mo, wala may kukuha lang.
Chicken.
Hindi na pinapagalitan.
Ito kasi na ano to, pag ito nindot.
Kaso ka ma.
Ano daw?
Umay ka ka.
Yung tabi mo.
Yan.
So, the drinks.
We didn't enter yet. Still outside. They're still outside. When they come inside, I will drink. Teka lang, lagay mo muna sa loob at di ako makakita. Kunin mo. Ibalik mo yung red wine. Ayoko din sa mesa. Dito na ako mag-ano ng kausap.
How are you? Right, wasn't it? They kept putting the things in the room or somewhere. Yeah? What? I don't understand.
Any wine, anything that's serving?
Wine? Of course we have.
Like that, open up here.
Oh, okay. Okay. You have wine?
Open up.
Ah, wine opener. I don't know.
Hello.
Hi. Okay lang.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I want somebody, a good work. I mean, somebody who has experience. I told you, yeah? Yeah. So now the drinks are here.
Kailangan yung pwesto na to. Pero sandali lang. May gagawin naman. Okay. Yan pa sa mag-
We have some drinks.
We have the 7-Up Zero and Diet Coke.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. But here we have.
Yeah, big one. We have in the laundry big one in the fridge.
Kailangan mo ng taas nito, di ba?
Ice we have here.
But
The
I
ice
want
there.
everything to be cleaned, wash the hands. And
Yeah, of course, yeah.
we put carrots.
Yes. It's enough.
Yeah. We put carrots, cucumber like this on the glasses.
When I finish, I need space here for the no need or no. Here, the table, yes.
Yeah, but anything else
And when
that you want to
the
have?
finish, you can put in the plate like this.
You can do
Yes, a chef in Dubai, ma'am.
He's a chef.
Yeah.
Okay. He knows how to do.
Of course, yeah. You want to arrange the batter or anything, food, everything. Carrot and entire to center which this one you are going to put the carrot on there?
We have that. I will
Because ask for the
Yeah, no, this.
cup.
now in a glass, purple glass here. Like this, standing.
Yes, yes, the other thing is
Or
put it on.
the can.
Yeah, no, it's-
that- I will give you.
Ano, nakuha na ko dalawa.
No,
Ilan ba? Dapat.
the open the open.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's not working.
It's not working.
This too. Milano.
Ayan.
This is only for the open. This too. Okay. And this one is the. Okay.
Ang galing naman sa kanaling sa lahat.
No. Try only first. Then after mo pass this. When it's on, it has a light. I don't know. That's the best.
And then we have any low classes for the festival. So,
What we have here.
Yeah.
There's no...
Yeah, it is. Milano, actually.
Alright. Pati pamalo ko.
Yeah. So,
Ito?
I can put the place so that it's easy. Ate,
Ate,
later I can prepare the things from the kitchen, right?
He needs one cover, one header, so that he will take the glass and wipe it before he puts it. The one I brought.
Ate, ganun.
ക്യാരറ്റിന് ഒരു വീഡിയോ കാണിച്ചത് നല്ല ഒരു പ്രത്യേക ടൈപ്പാണ് അപ്പോൾ കയ്യിലിടുന്നത് ആദ്യം ഇടും ഞാൻ ഒരിക്കൽ പറയുന്നത് പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് അതേപോലെ പേപ്പർ ഉണ്ട് കേട്ടോ.
For your hands. Okay, this.
I'll put some here outside. Gloves here. A white one for the towel.
This is for the glasses.
Okay.
Your hand glasses.
You can bring
For your
from here.
hands.
You were here before.
How many?
Enough, now enough.
Enough.
I'm serving prayer also.
But
this one is smooth.
Anu, ഇതിനാണ് ക്യാരറ്റ് കുക്കുംബർ
No.
ലോങ്ങിന് കിടന്നു ഓക്കെ ഇതിനനുസരിച്ച് he can do it for something which you want, okay?
Ano?
Ate, for anything, cooking, butter, everything.
He'll do the pizza?
Everything
We need to
is
send how many guys?
everything is Shanu.
Yes.
You make pasta.
Yes, I will make.
Aioli.
Aglio I can make.
Okay.
Yes.
Good one.
Yes.
I'll do it.
Which pasta you are spaghetti?
Number 5 for the aglio olio.
I just need olive oil, garlic, then some red pepper.
Yeah, but I like it hot.
That's what he asked for.
Not spicy, huh? Very hot in the fire. Not
Yeah, I will
spicy.
make
I don't mean spicy. I mean when we sell food, I
Ah, very
don't.
hot.
You want to be hot?
Hot.
Yes.
All the food should be hot.
What you put in the aglio olio? Garlic and...
Garlic, parsley.
Oh, here. Ready.
Yeah, I will
Okay?
make.
Finish
Yeah.
your pizza and that's it together.
Yeah, I explained to him this is ready. All you need to do is cook only.
Eh? This is for glass.
Yeah, just make it.
Really?
Okay.
Why did you tell me? I have fee.
Oh?
Fee.
Yeah.
You can do something.
Lasciò tomato.
But I mean,
But I have a drink.
It's enough.
I
Oh.
think we need more.
there is a Coke Zero is there.
Here also, 7-Up.
John?
7 up.
Enough 7-Up. They will not drink all 7-Up. We have that all.
We have wine. We have to open the red wine.
Yeah.
Let him do the aioli, okay?
Okay.
But I will say that
Let's try.
Don't ask madam all the time bring him because he is working in Dubai Mall. So he cannot come every time. But madam tell you can go.
Balik mo na yung kahoy. You cook also, what do you call this? Lebanese food?
No.
Ano?
Italian and Greek. I will make Italian and Greek.
Italian. Ate, tanggalin mo muna yung basura ko dito. Siya na lang yung gagawa. Doon sa itim mong plastic.
Lagyan ko pa to.
Lagyan, uy. Andyan lang yung plastic.
for the aioli, you need things to prepare.
Ready, madam. It's ready.
Almost it's ready.
Lunch is at, the people come 1:30. Lunch is 1:45, like this. Okay?
Still,
I'm not going to drink the things here. The things. When you finish the pizza,
The sweets?
I will remove the papers. I took video. I took pictures.
Ah,
Suresh,
ano ba yung nakalagay sa... Review na lang.
You're cooking jigo also. Jigo. This is the one.
So you are spaghetti?
There's spaghettis. Number 5.
What you want? 7
Yes,
or 5? Ngayon, sa timplahan mo muna akong tomato sauce. Basic ha. Lagay mo muna sa mangkok. Kumuha ka muna ng mangkok doon. Para sa pizza lang ha.
Tomato paste.
Oo, wala namang sauce dyan eh, please. Ah, wag yan, maanghang yan, wag. Sa ano yan, manais ko yan. Ha?
Okay na dito.
Oo.
bring all here.
Yeah.
We will bring all and put them here. He's going to take a picture. He knows now. Okay.
Oh, okay na yan. More.
We have 10 only, 10 people.
Okay.
I'm telling him to cut. That's it. Suresh?
Lagyan mo ko olive oil. Ay, ito pala. Oh. Lagyan mo ko asin konti. Lagyan ko yung konti. Pagkakasa. May asin na yan. Oregano. Sige ba?
Sige pa.
So the name These are made now when we finish here. You will take care of the bathroom, everything, and they will take care of the Daisy and other. And this Karabish, you know Karabish? What's your name?
Shanu.
Shano.
Sandwich?
Shano.
Shano?
Shanu.
Shano. Okay, this Karabish later, when we finish, you know this is sweet.
Ah,
We
so we
put
have
round
the
and
same.
the white inside. You know this Arabic sweet. We take a round plate, we put them, and Daisy is in charge.
Yeah,
She's,
I will arrange and keep.
after the sweets, with the sweets.
It is appear.
We have fruit salad, we have 2 cakes, we have to drink, we have to bring 2
Can
plates.
you
No, this one, Karabish, you know
You can make
Karabish.
it, okay.
We put the white plate inside, we have fruit salad, and we have 2 cakes. Okay? You can bring potato the cakes.
After that, bite in the glass because you have to get
Tanggalin muna ito, guys.
Tanggalin mo ah. Wala nang display dyan, mamaya kainin na natin yan.
Hindi kasi yan, no? Alam ko na lang yan. Patata.
Maybe this for the cake outside, if you, when they finish the big one, and you want to put the cake around, like this, square below, okay? Oh yeah, you can use this.
Can I have a small bowl?
You know the.
Okay, eat this one.
Yeah. Good. Wait. I'm good. Just put it here. Just put it here. Ah, here. We put it here.
Yeah.
This is our salad.
Because they are going to be in charge here. But we can put like this, in charge, and here, that one, you need anything for,
Yeah, it's here already.
she speaks very
Shano?
Yes.
Okay.
Here the spices to red chili.
As flakes, chili
Not
flakes.
chili, the original
The
one.
original red.
Red.
Where you put for the pasta?
Pasta.
Oh no, only we have flakes, chili flakes.
Then fresh chili, red color.
Maybe it's spicy, they don't like spicy. For the color,
Yeah, for
for the color, I think I have red here. Bell capsicum, you know? I think I have red. No? Chili. I don't know. Maybe it's spicy, no? It's not spicy.
You know, Madam Anat Habab,
Slightly spicy.
Like this.
I think I don't know.
You need
You know, Madam Anat Habab staying here before.
Madam mo.
Anat Habab. No.
they don't know, they don't.
You know. So tell them, Madam, that time always I am nothing.
I asked the driver to buy.
Now this one.
Ah, this is for the because I don't have pizza sauce.
Oh.
This,
So I-
where is this one for the water? Which green one?
The wood or
No,
no?
for water.
No, like this.
After fixer.
What water?
After fixer.
It has
Picture?
flowers.
They take for the water.
Wood, the wood with flowers.
No, to pour
The
water.
glass one, no? For pouring water.
For the wine or here.
Yeah, yeah.
I have here.
This one.
Yeah, this one. This is
This one
good.
for
Yeah.
the water.
And then also I put
This
here.
is better.
Maybe I will bring pineapple juice
For
for welcoming.
I have mango juice. Oh no, we have everything is mango flavor.
I can bring fresh.
Ah, fresh.
John,
Okay, ask them.
fresh, I'm thinking.
Madam, Shano needs the red chili for the aglio olio. But
Don't have them.
But don't choose the spice. You taste first one because they don't like spicy.
Mild.
Mild one. Me, I like very spicy. I like spicy food.
Only this you want?
Yes. First
You
of all,
should
we have
plant this.
Plant,
olive oil,
Red chili.
olive oil.
parsley,
Yes, garlic.
garlic.
This one for you.
Yeah.
No. We have
So
olive.
11 people.
11.
So we can boil one more.
One more. Yes.
Then how we give this? We need to plate the plate or
And what?
no, then how we serve it
The serving?
here together or we have to plate the table?
No, you put in the big plate.
Ah, okay, like
They will
that.
do buffet. You need one more. Ano po? I think 1.5 only.
Nina?
Because we have too much food.
Okay.
The recipe. Not all the people will eat the 1.5. Do
Instagram
1.5.
live?
Yeah, it's YouTube. YouTube channel. You know. 1.5 you can do. 1.5 or what do you think? Because this, I will show you the plate for the pasta. Tantan. This is for the pasta.
How many these are?
Where is the plate for the pasta? You want to? You want what?
അതിൽ എരിവെണ്ണം ഉള്ളതിലാണ്
സയന്റിഫിക് മോഡൽ
നല്ലൊരു രീതി കൊടുത്താലും എപ്പോഴും വിളിക്കുന്നു നമുക്ക് വന്ന്
This is for the pasta. So one pack. One pack.
Keep
Yeah.
it here, huh? Because you want to drink.
നല്ലൊരു ഫോട്ടോ ആയിട്ടാണ്
Yeah, for a while. This is fantastic. This one, you put them, we put them there next to the grasses inside. Yeah, it's very cheap like this.
One more.
Full it should be. Usually I put a drop of lemon.
ലെമൺ ഫോർ ദ കാര
Little bit down. Everything is clear. Daisy, you're not forgetting anything on fire?
No, I still have mugrabi. It's still early for mugrabi. My chicken is ready.
You know what gonna be?
No, I don't know Lebanese food. I asked
ഷാനു നിന്നോട് ചോദിക്കില്ല
Lebanese food.
ഇല്ല ലെബനീസ് ഫുഡ് അറിയില്ല ഐ ജസ്റ്റ് നോ ഇറ്റാലിയൻ ആൻഡ് ഗ്രിൽ
Italian and what?
ഗ്രില്ലിംഗ്
ഇറ്റാലിയൻ ആൻഡ് ഗ്രില്ലിംഗ്
And what?
ഗ്രില്ലിംഗ്
Grilling.
Italian food you do. Daisy is expert.
Huh?
ഈ ക്യാരറ്റ് വർക്ക്
This should be very hot.
ലെമൺ ജ്യൂസ് ഉണ്ട്
Yeah, but it's hot.
ഒരു അളവിലെത്തി
Yeah. When we serve it, it should be hot, this one. Yes. You put in this one, we put, and we put the potato on
I
the
love
side.
Italian food.
But we don't do the aioli now.
Italian
It
stromboli.
should be on the...
Chano,
Yes.
stromboli. Yeah, I love that. Italian.
You will come when we are there.
ഓക്കെ മേഡം
Italian pasta. I love. Wala naman nanonood. Oh, wait. Where is my cheese?
Don't remove the pepper.
No, you can keep,
Yeah.
you can keep it.
Yes, it is the pepper.
You can keep like this over each other. Yeah. And this will put
Put the bottle. ക്യാരറ്റ് എല്ലാം കൂടെ ഒരുമിച്ചിട്ട് ലെമൺ ജ്യൂസ് ഒഴിക്കണം ക്യാരറ്റ് എല്ലാം കൂടെ തുടക്കി എടുക്കുന്ന പാത്രത്തിൽ എന്നിട്ട് രണ്ട് മുക്കുമ്പോൾ എടുത്ത് ആ പേര്
We bring it to the kitchen.
ക്യാരറ്റ് കൊണ്ടിട്ട് ലെമൺ ജ്യൂസ്
3, 6,
These
9,
are
10.
feet, but one of the ladies is getting feet, you know feet?
Yeah.
11 people, 10.
11, I think, 11.
ഒരു ക്യാരറ്റ് കുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഏറ്റവും കുക്കുമ്പോൾ
Hello, kailangan ko ng oven.
Then at one, something they have to put the mini kibbe inside.
Yeah?
The kibbe and shishmara. We have to put it inside the mini
Later.
and let it boil slowly, slowly.
Okay.
To be cooked from inside.
Yeah, I need to put holes This is empty. Madam, this is empty, Kibeng?
Yeah, I asked empty.
Okay.
And you have snowball.
Yes.
Snowball should be fried very, very hot, but don't burn it. And put it in. The voice should be very, very hot. You should be like the voice of the snowball.
Last minute, last minute.
Yeah.
Last minute. I will put here to not forget.
I can do it, but I want you to do it.
No, don't do it.
Because I'll be dressed up.
Oh, you will smell like
Relax, no problem. We have that is here. Don't worry much.
The most important, all the food should be served very hot.
Okay, yeah.
Not spicy.
Yeah,
it's
fine,
not.
fine, fine.
Sorry. What you need
I need something for the lemon.
for the lemon? Okay.
കയ്യോടെ കയ്യോടെ
കയറുന്നില്ല.
കിട്ടിയപ്പോ ഈ സൈഡ് കൂടുതലായിട്ട് കിടക്കണതേ ഒന്ന് ചെറുതായിട്ടങ്ങ് ഇത് ചെയ്താല് ഒരു രസമാണ്. മാത്രമല്ല എളുപ്പം ഇതാവാതെ ഇവിടെ
Diyan po na.
നമ്മളോട് വല്ല അത് ക്രഞ്ചിനെസ് വെക്കണമെന്നില്ല.
വെക്കണോ മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? ഇത്തിരി കൂടുതൽ വന്നെങ്കിൽ കളഞ്ഞല്ലേ കൂടുതൽ ഇതാണ് കുറച്ച് കാണാനായിട്ട് ഒരു carrot cucumber here.
This is extra. I want to make salad for to eat. This is the scratch.
ഉടനെ ചെറുതായിട്ടുള്ളത് ഇതെവിടെ കൂടുതൽ എടുത്താൽ ഇത് കൂടുതലൊന്ന് പേരിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് വെച്ചാൽ മതി. അത് കയ്യിൽ ആഫിഞ്ഞെടുത്താൽ നീ അത് ഉടക്കി അല്ലേ?
You know John Pona, Julie Catherine.
ഇത്രയാണ് എന്താ very strong, super.
Lipat ko to sa
Paano ko magluluto ng sa oven ng pizza?
nasa oven ng pizza.
I-oven ko yung pizza ko.
Ilipat ko nga ito kako.
Saan?
Sa baba.
Nakabandar mo na doon? Sige.
Iabot mo ba ako?
Very good. Doon ka na lang sa baba.
Gosh. Init pa naman.
Carrot or caramel, cucumber.
Na-open the door for me, please.
Cover it, illumination.
Yeah, it's okay. Just open the door. I need to go down.
Cover it, illumination. ക്യാരറ്റുമായിട്ടും ഇതാവണം കൂടുതലാണ്. കാരണം ഇതിൽ ചെറിയ സവാട്ടുള്ളതല്ലേ ഉണ്ടാവണം. ഓരോന്നിൽ ഇട്ടു പോകും. ഓരോന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ ഇട്ടു പോകും. കൂടുതൽ ഇല്ലാത്ത പോലെ എനിക്ക് ഏതൊക്കെ പറ്റിയിരുന്നു. ഇത് എവിടെ പോയി കട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഒരു കാരണം മിക്കവാറും ഒരിടത്തും ചെയ്യേണ്ടി വരും. അതൊരു സെയിം അളവിലുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. ക്യാരറ്റില്ലേ ക്യാരറ്റ് ഒരെണ്ണം രണ്ടെണ്ണം കൂടെ കട്ട് ചെയ്യും. കഴിയില്ല. ക്യാരറ്റും വേണം കുക്കുംബറും വേണം. മീഡിയം പണിയുണ്ടാകാൻ ഇഷ്ടം ഉണ്ടാകല്ലേ ഇപ്പോഴേ പറയാനൊന്നുമല്ലേ
ഇങ്ങനെ
3 മണി കഴിയുമ്പോഴേ
ആ
നിങ്ങൾ പോയാൽ മതി
ഓക്കെ
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 പറയാതൊന്നാണ് ഇപ്പോഴേ ചെയ്യാനൊന്നാ
Okay, can I have 2 more carrot and cucumber?
അവിടെ ഇതിൽ ഒരു കാര്യം ഇഷ്ടമുള്ളൂ ഇല്ലേ ഏറ്റവും താഴത്ത് നമുക്ക് അല്ല മുകളിലത്തെ ഇല്ലേ ഉണ്ടോ This is he can do it also. You realize, do it, then see what he is doing.
Actually, do you have carrot, cucumber?
Huh?
Cucumber.
What?
No more cucumber?
No more cucumber? I have a...
Ah, it's here, it's here.
There is.
Pwede niyang ihapin yung patata dyan mamaya. Doon.
Ngayon na, ano muna, half cook muna dito kasi mamaya ko pa isa lang to.
That's all. Cucumber is Sumisero.
Meron na akong papagawa, nakalimutan ko na.
Ano?
Sandali, isipin ko muna.
Gusto yung buko.
Yung olives nila, i-ready mo na, ilagay mo na sa table. Yung olives na yung dalawang lagayan, alam mo na yun.
No, no.
Can I have the olives there? What's your name? Irish?
I mean this chili. It's
Oh.
called Thai chili.
It's not really spicy.
No, it's not really.
It's light. How many you will put?
No, when it's put, it looks great. It's available.
I don't... Where is John? He buy already or...
He went to buy.
Okay. Did you show him the kind of chili?
No,
Madam told him red chili. I don't know he will bring capsicum or
Oh my God. Maybe he will bring capsicum.
red. Very lemon over there.
My masterpiece.
Yes? Sorry. വെള്ളം കട്ട് ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചാൽ കുഴപ്പമില്ല എനിക്ക് വെള്ളം കുടിക്കുന്നു കൊണ്ടുവന്നു നമ്മൾ സൈസായിട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് വ്യത്യസ്തമായിട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴായിരുന്നാലും കാണുന്ന അരി അങ്ങ് എടുത്തോളാം ചിത്തേ
drinks ഒക്കെ ആയിട്ടില്ല.
വൈകി പോലും പോകുമെന്നുള്ളത് എനിക്ക് സംശയം കുറച്ച് പെരിയൊരു ചോക്ലേറ്റ്സ് കട്ടി for preparing drinks. Maybe later this area I want.
Yes, yes, I will put here and you have space here. But the drinks needs should come first because when they arrive, they want to drink.
Yeah, yeah.
What's this?
I think there is the restaurant here outside. Which one?
The?
I want to go for the restaurant. Toilet.
There. Go to garage and there's a door.
Can you call this? Who went for purchasing?
I will send the driver. I don't have my SIM card is expired. Okay, I will WhatsApp him.
Just call Thai chili.
What?
Thai.
I don't know. He doesn't know that. Need the picture.
You can Google it.
I will Google Thai.
Thai, Thai.
Yes, I know.
Chili.
Okay. Maybe already in the counter to paying. This one.
Yeah.
Screenshot. And then what's up? Yes, madam. Ano daw?
Just went to work.
I don't understand. Yes. Okay. Okay. Understand.
What's your good name?
Me?
Yeah.
Babes.
Babes.
Yeah. Daisy Babes. Daisy. Better. Don't call me babe, Daisy. It's hard for you. Ano ba yan? Wala na, gagamitin niya yung area na to sa drinks. Lagay mo dun sa cabinet dyan. Kung saan dyan.
Small napkins
Small napkins. Show him the drawer, please.
and a serving tray also.
Serving tray. Okay, tray. Ang maganda.
Give me one. The bigger one. This is for the.
Small and the big. Small and big, give him. Sino nagbigay niyan? Andyan na ba yung niya? Yung leg? Andyan na nga. Oo, sige na. Alam ko na yun. Yung lalaki, assess mo muna yan. Oh. Wala, he's not answering si John. Si John nasa Carrefour. And it's here already siya, no? I don't know if he buy the chili.
Okay, he's the one. He brings
Oh,
the right side.
Nah. He bought the same.
Perfect. Not me will eat the visitors.
Just call him, not this one. Masha, I don't know. ഇരിക്കുന്ന സെക്ഷൻ lemonade ഉണ്ടാവും apple juice ഉണ്ടാവും
Eh, kung may problema, kaya wala man kami yarong timing ka.
അല്ല ജ്യൂസ് കുക്ക് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ലെമൺ ജ്യൂസ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നാരങ്ങ പൈനാപ്പിൾ പൈനാപ്പിൾ തൊട്ട് ഇത് വേണ്ട ലെമനേഡ് പറഞ്ഞത് പിന്നെ ചെറിയ ഗ്രീൻ കളറുള്ളത് അത് വേണം പറഞ്ഞ് പറഞ്ഞു മേടിക്കാൻ
Mint leaves. Mint leaves.
അതവിടെ വെച്ചോ ഷാനു എനിക്ക് ഈ സ്പേസ് എനിക്ക് ടെൻഷനാണ് പറഞ്ഞെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ താഴത്ത് ഉണ്ടാക്കണം
So we can.
Huh?
What's the time now?
What you need?
The guest going for this bathroom, right? Huh?
The guest?
Yeah. Yeah.
Visitors?
Yeah. Yeah. Then I can prepare my things here. Huh? Yeah.
Ano?
1 minute. Then I can use here in the small table for my drinks. Not that much. Madam. Yes, ma'am. Now you use here for.
Can I have a bowl like this? Do you have more bowl? Okay.
What?
Bowl.
Ball.
Daisy, I thought that it's you.
Where?
On the street, I saw like this. Somebody else and this.
Wearing
Don't leave this open, please. This is the
Now that is.
Yeah, the flies is coming in. Oh, ball.
Where
You
is
need
the one
ball.
from Madame Sohar? This?
Yes.
Okay, this later. I think this is too big.
This one?
For Madame Sohar, too big.
Yeah, it is too big.
Remove
We have
this.
small, madam. We
Yeah,
have.
very, very good.
We have small here. This one like this or this. I think this one.
This is okay. This one, take this.
Hey, Chalu.
Yeah.
ഇതാണ് അതിനെ.
This one for the food that came now, okay? Size okay?
Yeah, this right. This is good.
Yeah, that's right.
After some time, I will put the. I need space here. I need to put the in the lumpia in the plate because I need space too much, Sandra.
You can put
Dito
it
sa
in the
baba
fridge.
na ako mag-init.
Why fridge? It's cold
You
already.
cannot put it inside.
Oh.
Then the people are here.
I don't have space for the fridge, madam.
You need
Yeah,
Madam.
wipe it.
The TV room. We close only. We put the lumpia in the sillet there.
Oh, okay, on the table.
Yeah? No
Put
need
the
here.
cover on the table.
No need here.
So then, you know, I'm thinking that you go, we'll put here. Hello?
Tingnan mo nga saan yung jigo daw. Tingnan mo.
Gusto niya alone.
Ay! Ano ba yan? Alone? Anong alone? Wala siya sa table?
Kung walang pag-aasang siguro, kung ayaw niya, hindi ko na iluluto to.
Ang alin? Ilagay mo, ang laki ng lagay ng jigo para may design.
Gusto nga niya mag-alone.
Hindi, ibig sabihin, alone ang table ng jigo, hindi siya together sa counter.
Ano, di ba? Ganyan.
Yun. Sa isang table na nilagay mo kahapon. Kasi maliit lang palang binigay ng suad. Maliit lang, Diyos ko day. Parang 3 lang kakain, 4.
Hindi ko pa nasabi yung olives. Olive oil.
Sabihin mo magta-thank you siya eh. Basta yung olives oil, yung olives na sa table na.
Ito pa nga eh, di ba lumabas ako?
Naku, pizza.
Gusto pumunta ako sa kusina, mausok. Pinumiran ko na test yung ano doon.
Ano te? Yung para sa TV room? O sige, tapusin ko lang to. I-arrange ko na yung ito talaga si ano. Si Agatha. Busy ako dito, nag-voice pa. Alam mo ba kung anong sinabi sa voice? Sabi niya, nakita kita sa kalsada. Kamukha mo. Tumawa.
Nauli.
Tinag kita dyan, ate. Shout out mga taga Bicol.
Shout out from Bicolandia.
Siya, no, 1:30 na lang siya.
Yeah.
So, the pasta, you know that already. What time you to boil? Ah, you need also the pot for the hot water for the pasta, right? Later, okay. I will remove some of the pots there later.
Just need a container and frying pan.
Yeah, 1 second. I will give you that. Margherita pizza is Italian.
Yes.
Ah. For margarita sauce, you do alone or you buy ready?
No, me.
You do alone? You teach me only the margarita sauce.
Yeah, we need to buy this kangasa tin. We will get the tomato.
Oh,
After the big knife for the lamb shoulder cutting, it is in the
The
kitchen.
big knives here, come. Check here.
for?
For the lamb shoulder.
No, there.
There is one there,
No,
but
there
a
isn't.
small one.
Yesterday I saw it come, I don't see.
The long? Here, like this.
No, it's silver.
Silver? That's there. Silver is there.
Okay, I will find out.
Wala na din kutsilyo kung white. Wala dito. Wala ditong kutsilyo. Ah, here. If you want a good knife, I have knife here, Shano. It's okay.
For the lamb shoulder. Right,
Yeah.
you know the activity right now. Carrot cucumber,
Yeah, full tawakan.
yeah, madam. Okay, madam.
Ito lang tama na to.
Okay, madam.
Ano ito, may stako? Hindi na ito kailangan.
Yung,
Itong
oo. Tsaka yung carrot.
Maganda.
Tapos na yan, te. Tapos ito, te. Tanggalin mo to. Tanggalin mo to.
ilagay ko na muna doon sa ano.
Oo, doon sa London. May aircon man doon eh.
Madam, where is the weight?
Binigay na yun.
Ikaw na try mo make.
So it is going to be,
Now,
yeah,
where is it?
this is pineapple, this is fresh one. There is no water on it. This
So
is-
you put in a small glass,
Yeah,
not full.
yeah.
I'll show you.
Yeah.
You have.
Yeah, I have.
Just put it.
Yeah,
If they ask.
Yeah.
A chili, bro.
Yes, yes.
This door has to be all that grows from the flies. Okay?
This one finish. Tapos yung kilo complete.
Yeah, finish.
And then they have, you like some candles inside of the snack. Very much something.
Okay, okay, I will.
I think the shish barak and the kibbe.
What time you are
They come 1:30, lunch around 2. So still early, huh?
Yeah, yeah, very early. Very
Very
early.
early.
Lorry, 2 o'clock they are eating.
And when she take the things to that room, we have the cover to put up. Where are they? Understand what I mean?
Ang kulambo.
ഒരു മണി ഒന്നേരാകുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് വീണ്ടും അത് പ്രത്യേക അറിയാം മറിയിടും വേറെ എന്നാന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഞാൻ ചെയ്യാം
This is for what you want.
No, I just cooking.
You know, sell it? This is for pizza.
അതിൽ ഓരോന്നിനും പേര്
Oh, yeah, the assorted, yeah. Taste that pineapple, shake it with a small glass. Yeah, this one, come. I want to see.
I think this is a really fresh one.
Pinatay ko yung earphone. Hindi mo mga pinatay. Nakapas yung bintana. Sisira yung earphone. Ano to, hindi na ito pwede?
Ito malinis yan, malinis.
So what time?
Ah, later. This is 20 minutes need. Saan ko naman ito kapwesto? Ang shit talaga.
Bakit ka ba?
You need anything from me here? The olives here.
You have fresh basil, you can cook in one.
Why you didn't tell? We don't have... Huh? Madam doesn't like, Madam doesn't like.
Basil?
This is her pizza.
Hairstyle.
She said, her way.
Yeah, we have. Give him the radish and some mint and spring onion. He will put on the table.
Here.
റാണിഷ് ഒന്ന്
This one.
ഓക്കെ ഇതിന്റെ കൂടെ
Now?
It's done. Okay, finish. He will ship it.
So you have
Yeah, later, yes.
mint leaf or anything?
Green
It's
onion,
also-
mint.
Green onion, spring onion.
Yes, spring onion, we can arrange it in a
I
plate.
used the mint already.
That's okay.
I already used swing the
Then
fatos.
we can use this onion and
Spring onion we have.
Yeah.
I will give you spring
Like
onion.
it is?
Yeah.
No, no need. I already done it.
You need spring onion here. Oh. Baka naman to.
Mabuti pa nga.
I'm old now. I cannot go up. No.
Salad we have. Greek
Huh?
salad.
No, fatos.
Apples.
You know fatos? Arabic salad.
For the smell, maybe I have to put something for the smell. You know.
And I will give you the sandal.
I brought lots of scents. Nita, I brought lots of scents. Okay.
Now we
And
put
onion.
now the candle.
Yeah, what's the
The scent's only there.
One o'clock, around 1. In 15 minutes, I'll put candle.
Okay, okay.
I have to dress up.
This one finished there. Kasi gagamitin niyo yung ako.
Ano ba gawin niya?
Sa drinks. Maluto na ako ng grabe
Saan ka luluto?
ng
Yan.
mugrabihe. For the margarita, we buy the tomato.
Yeah, that in tomato. Then we will
What
add
tomato?
the peeled tomato. We will pour it in peeled tomato. Then we need to reduce this garlic, onion, basil leaves seasoning. Then like we can reduce by 3/4. Then the water will go out. Then we will make it puree. We need to blend it.
That's the source of the
If we have hand blender, we can use it like that. Otherwise, we
So we need to cook
Along
in
with
the
the
fire.
salt
Cook in the
paste.
fire. Cook in the fire the tomato in the pan with the basil.
basil, garlic, around tomato peas.
Puting saan ko man ito Saan ko man ito ilagay? Para sa ano.
അത് ഈ റാഡിഷ് മിന്റിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ റാഡിഷ് മധ്യത്ത് ചെറിയ ഒണിയൻ അവിടെ ചെറിയ ഒണിയൻ
Toothpick, kailangan ko ng toothpick para butasin ko. Wait.
എന്നിട്ട് പിന്നെ മിന്റ് ലീഫ്
Tanggalin ko muna ito, Teo.
മിന്റ് ലീഫ് കൂടെ വെച്ച്
Kasi mamaya na lang ulit. Oh. I will give you space, Sarah, okay?
No, I will prepare that.
You have already?
You have another plate for the radish? Yeah, I'll try it.
Actually, wag na tayo. Meron na rin siya place for drinks.
Here, this small table.
Dito siya. I just plate for the onion. For the onion.
Yeah, for this one. All right.
Okay, I want you to choose. I will give you.
Where is the ice bucket? Ice bucket, no.
Ice bucket.
Please, can you put,
Ice bucket here.
can you take a tip?
Up. Ayan, there.
പുറകിൽ ഇരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് ആ പ്ലാസ്റ്റിക് ഇതിന്റെ പുറകിൽ
The silver one.
this is
Some small one. And
that is more.
this one small.
Even this is better. I don't want to come all the time here.
Okay. But the ice is one bag only.
Only,
I think.
yeah.
Not every
Even
bag.
the supermarket, ask him to buy one more. He already know. Yes, only. That one, only one. See, that also broken. Call him.
You
See
did
that
know
one more. Just call him now. This is the small.
You want to make,
Te, ano mag-WhatsApp kay John? Need one more bag, please.
Now. He's coming.
One bag ice. Voice message. One bag of ice. Pizza, wala ano.
You are going to make him more pizza?
No, finish. This is extra.
Make it now, more.
No, I don't have the space now for... Huh?
Mint leaf.
Coming now, they went to supermarket. This supermarket very near. One second, give me the toothpick. I need to put the bowl. This is Lebanese food. Salo. This is Lebanese food.
We need to fry it, or you
No,
make it
it's
raw?
baked already. I will put it in the yogurt later.
So this. So we need to change this to another. Oh, we are giving like this. Oh, we need to put in the another.
Another plate. Long one.
Yeah. Little more bigger.
Okay, wait. Which one you like? Choose. You want this?
I like the.
Or you want it wider?
Round one.
dito sa loob. Oh, gan is here. What's your name, please, sir?
Thank you.
1 bag of ice. 1 bag of ice.
Ice?
Yeah.
Basic?
Yeah, he said. We have one here.
Okay.
I don't know in the laundry. Check in the laundry, please, sir.
I think the voice missing.
Ate, check mo sa laundry kung may ice doon, please.
You sent a message to me?
Ang kailangan. Ha?
ഇവർക്ക് എന്തൊരു മറ്റേന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് വെച്ചായിരുന്നു ഐസ്
ഒന്നുകൊണ്ടെന്ന് പറയുന്നു.
Kailangan pa ba to?
ഒന്നില്ലാതെ പൊട്ടിച്ചത്
Hindi na yata. Tanungin mo siya, tanungin mo siya.
Ashana, you're still with it.
നാനൊക്കെ എന്താ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ വീട്ടിലേക്ക്
അതുകൊണ്ടൊന്ന്
അപ്പോഴാണ് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ പെട്ടെന്ന് വാട്സപ്പ് മെസ്സേജ് ഐസ് കൂടെ കൊണ്ടുവരും
Ano, ice?
Like ice. Ice, ice,
Another, anything need, please check one more time.
Ice, what else you need to that one time only?
Yeah, now this
ഫോർ
four times.
ഡേയ്സ് ഓഫ് ഇറ്റ്സ് എവറിത്തിങ്
Four times. Catch
Ice, ice.
us laughing. Why you are counting down?
Huh?
Ice
You need
only.
ice, you need ice.
ഐസ് already at all.
Okay, only ice now.
What else? Even soft drinks, enough?
Soft drinks, we have
Please look at the Coke.
see, we have here
No.
Cold drinks.
Bring John,
Yeah.
John, bring 1 Coke diet and 1 bag of 7-Up, that's all. Ice, diet, like that, the cans.
7-Up.
one bag.
ഇതാണ് ഇത് ചെയ്യാൻ പോലത്തത് ആരെന്ന് ആരെങ്കിലും മേടിച്ചോളൂ എപ്പോഴും അതിന്റെ കൊണ്ട്
1 and 1 bag. Thank you, please.
we have normal coke here.
No, they don't drink normal Coke.
Somebody asked me, then we don't.
Sino? Oo. Ha? Ayan ang green, oh. Dalawa man sa akin. Green. Naku, mag-ano muna ako nito, oh. Ang coriander ko, asan na?
Andun?
Ah, that's my coriander, okay.
Ayun.
Sa ayos to, oh. Ano ba siya?
Si Agata?
Hindi, ano na lang.
And then,
This is for your eyes, you need it.
കാരണം ഒരു ഒന്നേകാല ആകുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് ഇരിക്കുന്നത് പറയണം ഇത് അങ്ങനെയല്ല ബഞ്ചോടെ എടുത്തിട്ടോ പക്ഷേ ഇത് കുറച്ചുകൂടെ എത്തിപ്പോലെ കൂടെ നല്ല പോലെ
Saan naman ilalagay ng sila? I-arrange ko nga yan.
anong kakakoting ko dun sa dulo?
അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ലേറ്റാവും മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ കറക്റ്റ് 2 മണിക്ക് തന്നെ ആളെ പറ്റി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു 2:30 മണിയാകുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് ഇതൊക്കെ വെച്ചിട്ട് നിനക്ക് റെഡിയാവും പോകാനായിട്ട് മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ
What, ilagyan mo ko lang po.
This is cold, you know.
Yan, yung cold food.
Cold food you can put it now and come and share it with me.
She will put it in here. Ito sa baba na to.
Kakakoting ko yun sa dulo.
Oo. Ano muna itong pagkain.
Cover it cream wrap na.
No, we have like this.
ധാരാളം പത്രത്തിലല്ലേ ധാരാളം പത്രത്തിലേക്ക് അങ്ങനെ സാധാരണ സാധാരണ ചിലര് ഇരുപത്തി സാത്ത് ശരി
Ano ba yun?
Ano pa?
Iba, bagong walang kamero. Sige. At turog.
Nilagyan mo na yan, ano, na asin, ano?
Oo, tapos na to. Yung ano lang wala, yung mga anak wala pa.
Iyan yung tinikman niya. Iyan yung tinikman niya.
Hindi na.
This is where you have cold one, no hot one.
This is cold.
No hot one also there.
No cold.
This one. മൊത്തം ഒരു കൂടുതൽ നിരത്തിയൊക്കെ ഇത് മട്ടൻ ആ മൂട്
അതോ യൂസ്
ഇത് പിന്നെ ഇതിൻ്റെത് കുറച്ച് വേണമെങ്കിൽ ഇടയിൽ വെച്ചിരുന്നാൽ മതി. അതാണ് കൂടുതൽ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. ഇതിൻ്റെത് കുറച്ച് ഇടയിൽ താഴ്ത്തി വെച്ചിരുന്നാൽ മതി കേട്ടോ. അത് കളയില്ലേ.
Yeah. Bring on your doggy gun. Ipatay mo muna din para maurong ko ito. Ayan.
Ano?
Ginotong si Inday.
Ano nigyan, alam mo doon?
Sinarado mo yung bintana sa kapit niya po na. Oblang mo kasi kanina.
May malaki ka pa dito na lagay ko
Pakiaya mo
dito.
na lang yan, silip-silip. Kaya mag-brown lang yan, tapos tanggalin mo.
Shadow, can you put for me design of the tomato here in the middle? The design of like flower.
Yeah, mixed tomato.
Big tomato here.
Yeah, we'll make.
Okay.
I'll make it a rose flower.
Yeah. Please.
Anyhow,
Shadow will make the flower tomato here.
മറ്റേ ഈ മറ്റേ ഉള്ളിൻ്റെ ഇതിൻ്റെ ഇടയിലേ
Tingnan mo na yan, isa.
ഇവർക്കൊക്കെ
Anong snowbar nito?
Na?
Anong sa snowbar?
ഇതവിടെ താമസമുള്ള ആളല്ലാണ്.
Magba-brown ka.
ഇവിടെ ഈ ചൂട് സമയത്ത് തണുപ്പ് സമയത്തൊന്നാണ് ടമാസ ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ.
ബാക്കി പിന്നെ തുറന്നു
വളരെ നാട്ടിലാണ് ഉണി ഒരു സൈഡിൽ വെച്ചിട്ട് ഉണി കട്ട് ചെയ്ത് വെക്കുന്നതിൻ്റെ
Dapat dito kanina pa wala siya.
അതിന് ജോബൊന്നുമില്ല
ഇല്ലില്ല, അത് എന്തെങ്കിലും നോക്ക്. ഞാൻ CV നാളെ എവിടെ ഒരു സ്ഥലത്ത്
Sino sa
ഇരിക്കുന്നു.
pababa?
നമുക്കിന്ന് അയച്ചില്ലോ സി വി ഒന്ന് അയച്ചില്ലോ
ആ. ഞാൻ ആകുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് ചൂടാക്കാനുള്ളത് ചെയ്ത് തുടങ്ങിക്കോളൂ കേട്ടാ. പക്ഷേ ഫുഡ് നല്ല ചൂടുമായിട്ടുണ്ട്.
ഞങ്ങളൊരു ഫോട്ടോ പാസ്ത പോലെയാണ്
ആ. ഈ സൈഡ് അത് മധ്യത്തിനുള്ളിൽ കണക്കേ. അത് മധ്യത്തിലൊക്കെ കണക്കേ. ഇത് കുറച്ചുകൂടെ മധ്യത്താക്കിയിട്ട് രണ്ട് സൈഡിൽ മിൻറ്റ് ലീഫ് കൊടുക്കുന്നിട്ട് മറ്റേ ലീഫ് മറക്കി വെക്കണം. ഇത് ഓണിയൻ അവിടെ അവിടെ ഇല്ല.
ലീഫ് ഓരോന്നിങ്ങനെ വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു സൈഡിൽ
ആണിഷ് കാണാൻ
Siya ang gagawa. Sinabi ko na.
Yes, tingnan mo, okay na ito?
Siya ano.
നേരെ
Bigyan
ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ്
mo siya
സൈഡിൽ
malaki kamatis.
മിൻറ്റ് ലീഫ്
Wala
ഇത് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് മാറ്റി.
Dito,
ഇതിൽ ഇവിടെ
dito.
കുറച്ച്
Siya ano.
മറ്റേ ഓണിയൻ്റെ കട്ട് ചെയ്ത് അത് വീണ്ടും കാണും.
Siya ano, I need the tomato first.
ഇത് ടൊമാറ്റോ ഫ്ലവർ ഉണ്ടാക്കി കൊടുക്കും. വെള്ളത്തിലുണ്ട്. പൈസ വെള്ളത്തിലുണ്ട്. അത് ഇതുണ്ടാക്കി കൊടുക്കും. ഇതുണ്ടാക്കി കൊടുക്കും.
Siyempre, kung tinapay.
Ano ba nailabas ng tinapay?
മധ്യത്തിൽ കൂട്ടി വരട്ടെ.
Ano ba yun? Kailan yan?
ഒരു സൈഡിൽ കൊടുക്കും.
Yes, pakilabang mo gamot na.
Ilan bang gamot niya? Isa lang.
Lalo.
ഈ സൈഡിൽ കൊണ്ടുപോയി ഇളകി കൊടുത്തു. ഈ സൈഡിൽ കൊടുത്തു. ആ രണ്ട് ആവശ്യം എടുത്തു. ഇതിൽ പോകും.
Ilagay na lang to sa...
ഇറങ്ങിയില്ല, അത് ഇറങ്ങിയില്ല, അത് കട്ടായി പോയില്ല. എടുത്തിട്ട് നല്ല റാണിച്ചെടുക്കടാ. ഇനി അവിടെ ഇറക്കി വെച്ചാൽ അങ്ങോട്ട് ഒരു ഇലവന്
Tinapay saan?
കട്ട് ചെയ്ത് വന്നു പഴയ കിടക്കുന്ന.
Gusto mo kumanta na lang ako para dali-dali ko na lang yan.
Ito na lang. Gamitin mo. Or oven.
Oo ba? Huwag na lang yan. Gusto mo ng lalaki, ano yung mag-relax na doon tayo sila na lang ng papaya ko sa katawan. Maganda sana yun, pero hindi ko kayo sa gata. Hindi ko nakikita.
ഒടുങ്ങിന് ഇവിടെ തുടങ്ങിയിട്ടാണ് ഈ സൈഡിൽ പുള്ളിയിട്ടാണ് തുടങ്ങി.
Ito yung meta.
ആ സൈഡിൽ 3 മണി ഇട്ടത് അടുത്ത മധ്യത്തിൽ പൊട്ടിച്ചു. ഈ ഡെക്കറേഷൻ ഉള്ളത് മുകളിലോട്ട് പൊട്ടിച്ചു വെക്കും.
Pero siya pa nagtutulong din.
അങ്ങനെ ഇല്ല ഇല്ല
Siya pa nagtutulong ng lalaki. Siya na lang pala.
ഇനി ഉണ്ടാകാതെ തീർന്നു. ഓക്കെ
Nice.
പൈസ
The icing in the freezer.
പൈസ വേറെ
Icing.
ഇതേപോലെ ഞാനത് മേടിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ഇപ്പൊ ഇല്ല അവിടെ. ഇത് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. എവിടെ ഇപ്പോൾ ആ സൈഡിൽ ആ ഇത് വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്നു.
Pero kung sitlak sa tinapay,
ചൂടി
Hindi kaya titigas yan.
hindi yan mamaya mo ilagay kapag malapit na sila.
Ate,
Itong grapes, o pakilagay dyan, o tanggalin mo na sa plastic yan. Isa-isa.
ഐസ് വെള്ളത്തിട്ടാലല്ലേ നല്ലതല്ലേ?
ഓൾറെഡി നല്ല സംസാരിച്ചു
അതെ. ഫ്രീസർ
Wait, madam, I will...
ഫ്രീസറിൽ വെച്ചിട്ട് വെക്കില്ല. നീ മറ്റും കൂടെ ഓയിൽ പ്ലാസ്റ്റിക്കുകൾ ഉണ്ടാവും.
What are you doing?
I need a tomato in them.
I guess now, but I told the last minute very, very, very hot and we splash it.
The garlic and the coriander.
Also this now.
Okay.
Remove them from this house.
Sabi ko na sa pinahuli tayo.
All of this.
Akala ko ay...
Days.
Hindi kasi ng lalaki na ito eh.
Ingay kasi ng diputa niya. Ingay.
Walang tigil ang bunganga nito.
Nagmumura ako dito.
You did your pizza?
Yeah, I will. Yeah, finish.
Oh, finish?
Only I will put in the oven later.
Let me see this.
Step po na to ha.
You put lemon in the middle or something like
Yeah, the tomato.
No,
may
tomato
take-
flower.
Tomato.
Isa pa ako sa taas.
Para kita tayo.
Oh.
Ibaba ko na to. Tikman mo. Hindi siya malat.
Ikaw na mag-titigil.
Ano ba tong kape ko, te?
Okay na ito kay tapos sa pinggan.
అందులో చిన్నది ఇదిలో చిన్నది ఇప్పుడు వచ్చిండాలి
നമ്മൾ സൈഡ്
Nagtanong na kayo ng dalawa.
అదే ലാമ്പ് പേര് കൊണ്ടുപോകുന്നു
Nandok na tayo ng dalawa.
ഒരു വലിയ കണ്ട ഇതിന്റെ മറ്റേ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല
Hindi mo katanghalian.
അല്ലത് ഉണ്ടാക്കി വരുമ്പോൾ വലുതായിപ്പോ
Di ba naman siya kakain? Ito, dalawang kulang parang pa. Parang kawali ng pula. Yung gano'n. Yung malaki.
ചെറുത് മധ്യത്തിൽ
Pula siya pula. Di ba kakain lang siya mag-isa sa taas? Yes, kakain na dalhin mo lang. Dalhin mo lang.
വലിയ കാണാൻ ചുവപ്പല്ലേ മതി ചെറിയ ടമാറ്റോ
ചെറുതാക്കി
ചെറിയ ടമാറ്റോ
Yan, yan, yan.
You need to get one cherry tomato.
Cherry tomato. Cherry tomato is a dal.
ഇത് കൂടെ വിസ്താരം
Very nice.
കൂടെ പിടിച്ച് കൊടുത്തു അത് മറിയെങ്കിൽ ഇത് കൂടെ വിസ്താരമായി തട്ടി
Hindi mo, check mo lang.
ചെക്ക്
Ah, just put only the top. Ano, let's stick. Okay.
Kalas.
Ines?
Kalas.
Tingin-tingin mo na lang ito.
Ako na magdala niya. Yung part ko.
Okay, thank you.
Nice. This is for the glass.
One more pan for boiling pasta.
Let me cook first my...
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, I always cook here. Wait, let me cook my...
Hello. Yes,
Excuse me.
yeah, I'm ready.
Gawin mo muna. Tapon mo na yung oil mo. I don't need that.
Hindi ka na prito.
Magluluto ako.
Take water from here.
Asa ako rin dyan? Yan kasya dyan. Ha?
Where do you take water?
Water?
Like a boiling.
Ilagyan mo nga sa tubig. Sa pump. I-pump mo nun para mapigil. I think not now. To boil the pasta. Not now.
Yeah, we have time.
Yeah, you put water only.
Yeah, just put water, then make it warm. That's it.
Let me
Then
cook
whenever
first.
it's time, we can.
Let me cook first my this one.
We are 13. 13. Where is it?
13.
13. We have to add
Okay,
chairs.
okay.
The chairs, white chairs here outside. This is for the rice. What time now?
What again?
What time now? Oh. Okay, we'll.
12:45.
You know more like this?
Yeah.
Say,
Yan ang pinagay.
Up.
Ano yan, te?
Pintumin ko.
Ah, party.
okay.
Lebanese food, Lebanese food. Ate, pakitali naman ito. Kaya hindi ko makita yung tali. Goma na lang.
No, wait. Okay. This is okay for the chair.
Four?
Chair.
No.
Wait.
Wait.
Where are you taking?
Here.
ഇത് പടാതെടുത്തിട്ട് തുടച്ചോളെ കേട്ടാ
Ano yan?
Brown. Pumunas daw niya sa ano.
Saan?
Upuan.
Ay, naku, ang pangit ng baho nun.
Ang bago. Alinis lang yun. May yan pang ilagay ko pa.
Here, ito yan.
Yes. Freezer. Kasi
Sige,
malaki.
lagay mo na dun. Mamaya na, arrange.
Ano na. Ilan ito.
അത് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം ഈ കിട്ടുന്ന പടാന്നെ എടുത്തിട്ട് തുടച്ചോളെ
Balikan ko pa to.
This one is very slow. Later I will put here. This is strong. I want you to help me. Please. You remove the chicken. Unbone the chicken. But not very small, huh?
Okay. Give me 2 bowls.
I will give you a sample. How big?
Give me 2 bowls.
Wait. You put in the... Wala na ba akong tray?
Which application is this?
This is for the. I thought it's for the Facebook.
Facebook?
Yeah.
Put the chicken here.
Yeah, this one is Facebook. The another one is YouTube.
For the bowl?
No, put this one put there because later I will transfer to the pot. Just like this, like that, huh? Like that.
You want this? Ano ba yung ilalagay natin sa UP?
Saan?
Part na natin muna for the rabbit. For the rabbit.
Anong
UP?
pink? Basurahan?
Oo.
Anong pink? May pink ka ba?
Pink. Di ba yung ano?
Ah, sa side plate. Ano ba yung basurahan niya? Sabi ko kasi, akala ko garbage bin. Pink ka ng pink. Plato pala. Side plate. Side plate.
Huwag niyong kalimutan ito, ah. Ang ngipin. Olive.
Na ano? Yes, madam.
Laban?
Yes, I still have one.
Wala na.
Yeah, yeah, I have one.
Put in a bowl.
Yeah.
It has a plate and a
Yes, yes.
So we need to,
Yeah, I will give you.
and salt and pepper, small one for the table. Nice one.
Yeah.
take this.
Take it.
What the put this?
It's clean.
This is the laban. What's your name?
Suresh.
No?
Suresh.
Suresh. Suresh. This is the laban.
Okay, so we need,
We'll give you the bowl. Madam will give you the bowl for laban. For laban, give a little bit of sauce, please. Wait a minute.
It's called stock.
Stop. Yeah, stop. Chicken stock. Shadow, make for me sauce also. I will put the sauce here. Sauce from this stock, huh?
One more.
This one.
Okay.
I want to
Is
nasa.
that bigger?
For the rest, you have bigger one more.
I put already there.
Say, how many?
Just check if you
That's what is the.
You remember the sauce.
Suresh,
Yeah.
Sino ba kasi hindi
I will end this.